So can you really turn $1,000 into $100,000? I'm about to go over that right here in this video.
Everybody eats. Everybody eats.
I'm gonna tell y'all right now, this video won't be too long because my kids broke my phone stand and I don't feel like holding the phone that long, okay? So, but anyway, I'm gonna tell you that it is possible definitely to make $1,000 into $100,000, and how I know is because I did it, okay? And the first thing you gotta understand is, in order to do this, it's not gonna be quick. Okay, it's not going to be in a month, it's not going to be in 2 months, and it's not going to be in 3 months, okay? It's not going to be within a matter of days, weeks, or months, okay? You might take a year, okay? Year and some change, something like that. But what you got to understand is, stop looking at it as a flip. Everybody keep trying to look at it as a flip, when really is an investment, okay? You have to invest $1,000 and then reinvest all of your profits, so that way you can get to that 100,000 quicker, okay? So how I did it was, I started a cleaning business, okay? The same stuff I talk about every day, okay? And actually, I didn't turn 1,000 to 100,000. I turned 3,000 into 100,000. But you can do the same thing with $1,000, okay? I took my 3,000, put it down on a cleaning franchise, and I took that cleaning franchise, that 3,000 down, promised that I will make about $1,000 a month. I took that $1,000 gross income a month, and every time I got some money, I just kept reinvesting. I would buy more accounts from the franchise and keep reinvesting. It costed me like 4 times whatever the gross was to reinvest and buy more accounts, but I just kept reinvesting. Okay, now if you decide to take 1,000 and turn it into 100,000, you can do the same thing. Buy a cleaning franchise just like I did and turn that into 100,000, or you can go buy my starter kit and go reinvest your profits that way and start a cleaning business on your own, okay? Either way will work. I will say that you'll come out cheaper in the long run if you go independent and buy my starter kit, but if you go the franchise route, it can happen faster for you, okay? Because they're usually able to find accounts faster than you can independently, okay? But it all depends on how you decide to exert your energy, okay? Because if you take those profits and reinvest in marketing, and you can grow just as fast as a franchise, okay? And probably at a cheaper rate. But it all depends, okay? So the bottom line is get started, man. Just get started. Put your money in there. I always tell people, if you're in Jacksonville, Florida, if you're in Orlando, Florida area, if you're in West Palm Beach area of Florida, okay, you can go with Jam Pro. I recommend them, okay? But if you're in any other area, I really recommend going independent, okay? Because I can guide you and get you the resources that you need, whether you need proposals, whether you need to know how to train people, your new employees, how to find employees, how to train them, how to go find accounts, how to sell, okay? I can train you by allowing you to get my starter kit, and then once you get my starter kit, you'll be a member of the mastermind group, okay? But the key, okay, the key is to get started, number one, okay? And then also to understand it's not going to be overnight. A lot of people keep trying to find quick flips. How can I take this 1,000, put it into this stock, and then by 2018 now, so by 2020 I want it to turn into 100,000. That doesn't exist, okay? If that existed, then everybody would be doing it, number one, okay? And then number two, if you could turn $1,000 into $100,000 by just sitting on your ass, then guess what? Most people, if you did that, you would turn that 100,000 into $1 million. Okay, within that next year, okay? Mathematically, it doesn't make sense. The only way to do that is just to start a service-based business, okay, and then reinvest the profits and reinvest the profits and reinvest the profits and reinvest the profits over a long period of time. That's the only way to take a small amount of money and turn it into a drastically large amount of money, okay? That's it. That's it. That's all you got to do, man. I did it already. I did it. I bought my cleaning franchise back in 2014. And then by 2015, I was grossing 100,000 from that business. Okay, I put a 3,000 down, like I said, turned it into 100,000. You can do it with 1,000. You don't got to be 3,000. Okay, but the key is to get started. Go to www.ajsimmonsonline.com. Get your starter kit. I can give you all the equipment, all the tools that you need, everything, and I'll coach you through. But just get started. It's possible, okay? But it's not possible in the stock market because you're dependent on somebody else's business to make the money for you while you sit back. It's not necessarily possible with real estate, okay? Because real estate, you got to buy the property, and if you flip the property, it's possible. But even still, where are you going to find a property with that much equity that you can put $1,000 down, okay? with no repairs or anything, or you can finance all the repairs, but by the time you flip it, I guarantee you probably ain't making $100,000 profit, okay? If you do, good, an excellent job, you found a needle in the haystack, right? But really, the only way to turn $1,000 into $100,000 is to build it from the ground up, to start the business yourself, okay? Entrepreneurship has the best ROI, is the best investment, more than any other investment that ever existed. The problem is you got to put in that work. You got to grind. Ain't no easy way. Ain't no passive income. Ain't no residual income. You got to get it. Now, eventually, you can turn that cleaning business or whatever service-based business you start into passive income, but it's still going to be some work involved, okay? It's not going to be residual, but it can be passive. My cleaning business is passive. I live in Florida, but my business operates in Virginia, okay? I moved and I took a job at Jam Pro of Jacksonville, okay? So I'm the ops manager here, but my cleaning franchise still operates in Virginia. Okay, so my business is passive. I go there probably every other month, if sometimes not even that often, just to check on it, okay? Just to check on it, but it operates without me. I don't have to clean. I don't have to do inspections myself. I don't have to do any of that stuff, okay? What I do is I make sure I do my books. I do payroll still myself, and that's it. Okay, so but it's possible. It definitely is possible to turn 1,000 into 100,000, but it's not going to be a flip. You're not going to see the 100,000 in cash, okay? It's not going to be in cash within 1 year. Can it be? Possibly, but I mean, you really can't touch the money. You know what I mean? You can't touch that income at all. I have touched my income since that time. You know what I mean? I spend some, reinvest some, spend some, reinvest some. Okay, but if you really want to see it and you want to see it fast, you got to reinvest, all right? So hopefully you were able to get something out of the video. I'm AJ Simmons. I will talk to y'all soon. Thank you for watching. Everybody eats.
6 figures or better should be the common motive, but y'all just trying to see change like Obama voters. Money ain't my only love, but it's the main goal, and I'ma get it deal or no deal like the game show. Will I succeed? That's rhetorical, cause my faith's looking like a dead president memorial. Ask around, they'll tell you how my grind be. Money longer than the lines at the DMV, but don't confuse this with bragging. This is